guys, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to French braid your own hair. You only need 3 things for this, which are a clip or a hair tie, a comb, and 2 small elastics or rubber bands. Now you can also use 2 small hair ties, but I prefer the elastics. So if you want to know how I French braided my own hair, keep on watching. So you're going to start off by parting your hair. I have a side part. So what I like to do is I like to take my hair and I like to bring it diagonally across my head to the right because it starts on the left. So I'm just going to do that. Now I'm going to section off this hair with a clip and a little hair tie. Okay. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take a section of the front piece of your hair and split it into 3 sections. So a top, middle, and a bottom. These 3 sections. So now with the bottom strand of your hair, what I like to do to start it off is bring this under the front piece, and then I start feeding from the bottom first. So I kind of do a Dutch braid and I bring the bottom and the top strands under so that you have a nice popped out braid on the side of your head. So we're gonna take a section of the bottom and add it to this bottom strand, like that. And we're gonna bring it, once you add a section, you're gonna bring it under the middle, like that. Now this top section, we're gonna add another strand of hair to the top, like that. Bring it under the middle. And you just keep repeating this process. You want to pull it nice and tight. And the sections of hair are going to get bigger as you go down. Now we're getting to behind your ear. You just continue your braid like so. And then when you get to the bottom, I just pick up everything that's left, no matter where it is. And then you just braid normally. And then when you come to the end, we're just going to tie it off. So now I'm going to do this side and I'll show you the finished product. And you're done. So now what I like to do is take some hairspray, and I spray my hand first. Spray it on your hand. Just fix any pieces that are coming out. Around the ears, a big guy. You can take some bobby pins if you have short hairs here and you want to pin them back. Okay, so now I'll show you what it looks like from the back. So I know some people like to make their braids look thicker. Ooh. So what I do is I start at the end and I start pulling gently. And you could do it all the way up, but I don't like to do that. I just like to make the braids at the end after it comes off your head bigger, so that it looks like you have more hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys try this out in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.